Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make what my girls call itchy oil. Doesn't make them itch, it actually helps them with that. Um, it's super simple to make, and it just doesn't require very many oils either, and very little of those oils. They love asking for this when they have a skin irritation or a bug bite even. So we're just gonna do 2 drops of lavender. 1, 2. We're gonna do 2 drops of frankincense. Lavender and frankincense are both in your premium starter kit. There we go. And then 1 drop of tea tree. And all 3 of these oils are good for skin. There we go. Now I've heard that using tea tree neat with no carrier oil can cause skin irritation. So not everybody experiences this. So just a little heads up. And then I'm going to top this off with my carrier oil. And then pop the roller ball back in, and that is it. This is part of our regular oil use, unfortunately, but hey, itchies happen. So it's nice to have this on hand, and the girls know that they can ask for it, and I have something on hand that I can help them with that's all natural, and I know exactly what's in here and that it's good for their skin. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.